Hello. In this video, we'll walk you through key features of the VoIP.ms Softphone, like managing multiple accounts, recording calls, voicemail, call forwarding, and encrypted calls. If you haven't set up your Softphone yet, check out our first video for a step-by-step guide. You'll find the link in the description. Let's start with managing multiple accounts. The VoIP.ms Softphone lets you register more than one account, perfect if you use both a main account and sub-accounts. To add a new one, tap the menu button on the top right, then go to Settings and select Accounts. Tap the plus icon and enter your SIP details. These are the credentials for your VoIP.ms account or sub-account, not your portal login. If you're unsure where to find them, check out our setup video linked in the description. Then tap the check mark to save. Once you've added more than one account, you can switch between them for outgoing calls directly from the dialer. Just tap the account name on the top left and select the one you want to use. That's it. Your call will now use the selected account. Don't worry, your phone will still receive incoming calls from all registered accounts, even if they're not selected. Next up, call recording. To record a conversation, just tap the record button during a call and the icon will indicate that recording is active. To stop, simply tap again. Once the call ends, you can find your recording saved in your mobile device's file storage.
Mode, everything you say will be repeated back to you just as soon as it is received.
Next, let's look at setting up your voicemail. Tap the menu on the top right to open the settings. Go to Account Setup, tap on the account you want to set, and then open Advanced Settings. In the voicemail number field, enter *97 to connect to your VoIP.ms voicemail. After this, make sure to configure your voicemail in the VoIP.ms customer portal. We've linked the full guide in the description. Now let's configure call forwarding. Open the Settings, then Preferences, and open the Call Forwarding section. To automatically forward calls, enable the feature and enter the number where you'd like calls to be forwarded. Alternatively, you can enable the Forward button. This lets you choose a number to forward to each time you answer a call from the dialer. Now, let's enable encrypted calls for added security. You'll first need to enable encrypted SIP traffic in your VoIP.ms account or sub-account through the customer portal. You'll find a link to the step-by-step guide in the description below. Once that's done, open the settings and go to Account Setup. Choose an account and open Advanced Settings. Scroll to Transport Protocol and select TLS SIPs. Then look out for the Secure Call section. Set incoming calls to enabled and outgoing to required. This ensures secure calling on both ends. Tap the check mark on top to save your changes. And that's it. Now you know how to use the core features of your VoIP.ms Softphone. For more tips and tutorials, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.